Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Apify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to join Telegram channel. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Telegram app. Here click on search bar and you will see option like charts, channels, media, downloads. Go to channels. When you tap on channels, you'll see a list of channels you joined and similar channels which you are not joined. So in order to join a particular channel, let me join Banking Preparation 2080. To join this channel, simply tap on it. When you click on it, it will show you this kind of interface. In order to join this channel, tap on join button as shown here. When you click on join, you will be joined on this channel. So in this way you can join channel on Telegram. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.